We spend years learning in school, yet no one teaches us how to actually learn. Today, we're diving into science-backed strategies to learn anything faster and make it actually stick. Let's go. First thing first, start with an overview. Before diving deep, understand the structure. What are you trying to learn? Why does it matter? This primes your brain to absorb the details better. Don't just highlight or reread. Use active recall. Try remembering the answer before you look it up. It's like training your memory muscles, and it works wonders. When I was studying psychology, I literally had a questions-only document, no notes, just prompts I would test myself on. Try spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is basically tricking your brain into remembering stuff long term. You review info at intervals like day 1, day 3, day 7, and day 14. The more you recall it just before you're about to forget it, the deeper it sticks. Use tools like Anki or apps like RemNote for automated scheduling. If you want to know whether you really get a concept, try explaining it to a 12-year-old. That's the Feynman Technique. If you're stuck using jargon or struggling to simplify it, you've found a gap in your understanding. I once tried explaining mitochondria to my little niece using a pizza factory analogy. She remembered it better than I did. Our brains love patterns. We process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. Instead of memorizing 20 facts, group information into chunks like 4 categories. Use visuals, sketches, mind maps, diagrams, flowcharts to arrange them. When I was learning brain anatomy, I sketched out the organ with colors and arrows. I still remember them years later. Instead of revising one thing for hours, try mixing up topics. Math, then a bit of science, then back to math. This is called interleaving, and it actually builds stronger mental connections. Next, study in focused sprints. Block off distraction-free time. I often use the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break, or 90 minutes focused work and 10 minutes break. An absolute game changer. Your brain rewires and stores what you learned while you sleep. You're not lazy if you prioritize sleep. You're smart. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours. No sleep equals no memory. Physical movement boosts cognitive function. I love listening to audiobooks or podcasts while walking. Try combining motion with learning. Your brain needs fuel. Hydrate. Eat smart. Omega-3, blueberries, nuts, they're brain boosters. What you eat affects how you think. Be specific. Learn Spanish is vague. Complete Duolingo Unit 4 by May 10th. That's a real goal. Instead of learn photography, say finish 3 online modules in 2 weeks. Goals give your learning a GPS. Finally, don't just move on. Review regularly and reflect on what worked, what didn't. Learning is a loop, not a line. Tweak as you go. So, there you go. 12 learning techniques to help you learn smarter, faster, and with less stress. If this was helpful, don't forget to check out the free worksheet on Learn Anything Faster. You can find it in the description box below. Also, subscribe for more brainy content.